Have you ever come across anyone who hasn't tried a McMuffin? It's hard to believe, right? When something this delicious captures attention, curiosity gets the better of us at least once. That's exactly what happened with the McMuffin. It carved out a permanent spot in the fast-paced world of grab-and-go breakfasts. To begin their bulk buns processing, giant mixers turn slowly at first, combining every ingredient smoothly. Another set of machines take over, and the dough is fed into it that cuts it into equal portions. As the empty molds move along, flour is sprinkled evenly. It's going to help prevent sticking, using just the right amount of flour before the dough balls are placed in the molds. Throughout that process, we can see the dough balls are perfectly shaped and they're ready to move to the proofing stage. Before that, machines have already dusted the trays with dry flour, so just when it's time for the dough ball to drop, they come in rolling and fall right into its dedicated mold. Now those balls are thoroughly covered with flour, and the credit goes to these amazing technologies. When the dough balls are placed in the pans, they are moved into a special proofing chamber to get puffed up. Proofing done, they're going to get into the baking pans, so the machines help them to place the previous trays over baking ones and flip them upside down. They're all set to become the soft and fluffy buns which McDonald's use for their very crowing McMuffins. For many of us, they're the ultimate quick and easy meal for busy mornings, and they claim the taste is so satisfying that it appeals them to get another one. Anyways, how would I know? But if you've tried one, we want to hear your stories. Did it become your go-to breakfast choice? Or maybe you've had a memorable moment while enjoying it. You're welcome to share your experiences with us. It all started in 1971 when Herb Peterson, a McDonald's franchisee in California, had a game-changing idea. Herb's creation was simple but genius: a poached egg, Canadian bacon, and cheese tucked between a toasted English muffin. People loved it. "Oh, it was you who called us." Many local factories don't even care about merging the sourcing of their raw materials, but it has a great impact in many aspects. We will discuss those as well later. So, McDonald's has made some exciting changes when it comes to the eggs they use. Right now, about 30% of the eggs they source come from free-range farms, and 70% of their eggs are still coming from their dedicated barns. Okay, the question is, why do they need to do this blend? First of all, to meet the higher demand, they have to get their eggs from different types of farms: barn-raised, free-range, and soon, more cage-free farms. Also, free-range eggs have slightly higher levels of important nutrients like omega-3 fatty acids and vitamins compared to eggs from caged hens. McDonald's wants to provide customers with the best quality ingredients, and sourcing eggs from healthier, more natural environments is part of that effort. And you know, buying local also raises opportunities for the local people, and it's kind of contributing to the country's progress on a national level and helping to make the economy better. McDonald's is steadily increasing the percentage of free-range eggs they use, with a goal of reaching 90% cage-free eggs by 2025 in key markets like the US and Canada. This would be a big step. We can assume they're making sure in upcoming years they meet customer expectations while continuing to serve millions of meals every day. I know we've raised your expectations by bringing super intelligent technologies, but no, that's not how eggs are going to be made. Now comes the last main ingredient, the meat patty, and this is exactly how they make thousands of meat patties per hour. Okay, we all know originally a sausage patty is found in these McMuffins, but depending on different areas, various other options have been seen to serve every community. Likewise, at some places where beef is the most popular meat, factories focus on making beef patties, so the processing of serving McMuffins never stops. About the eggs, this is how those hundreds of poached eggs are made to be added in McMuffins. Yup, all manually and right at the spot. Obviously, you don't go to the restaurants to eat reheated meals. They don't show the behind the scenes of how our meals are getting prepared, but at least you got to see some from McDonald's. Is it satisfactory? You know, kids today absolutely love going to McDonald's. The sight of the golden arches makes them excited for delicious food like crispy fries and juicy burgers.
These machines are the backbone of many industries, from food production to textile manufacturing to construction. With their robust blades and precise cutting mechanisms, they're built to tackle even the toughest materials with ease. Imagine a scene where smoky aromas fill the air as meat sizzles on the grill, tantalizing taste buds with every flip and sear. Curious about the staggering output of flatbread producing machines in a single day? Prepare to be amazed. These efficient marvels can churn out an impressive number of flatbreads, thanks to their high-speed capabilities and precision engineering. Depending on the size and capacity of the machine, production numbers can vary widely, ranging from thousands to even tens of thousands of flatbreads per day. Crafted with the finest ingredients and expert technique, our pastries are a symphony of flavors and textures.